Yo, 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 it's your boy 1G. Say, man, I've been on a hiatus. Had a lot of shit happen since I done uploaded my last video. Of course, y'all seen the little quick clip I had. But I did get a new bike. 2022 S1000 RR. I got the S1000. It's been a whole bunch of wrecks, a lot of dumb shit posted on the interwebs, on the internet. Just today probably ain't my best time to even try to make this video because I haven't even planned on, you know what I'm saying, like usually that bitch is clean. Fucking Cobra. Before I leave the house, I kind of usually have some a topic or something that I kind of want to talk about. I'm just going to go get, well, I went and got gas. I rode my bike and the gas light was on, so I went to go get some gas. I said, well, I might as well make a quick loop real quick. It's windy. I don't know, it's probably around 65 degrees, something like that. But basically, I'm uploading this anyway. So I got a little boy. Well, anybody that follows me on Instagram know that my son was legit born on my birthday. So me and him share the same birthday. Y'all already know that I got a daughter, so 2 kids. And so just less time for, you know what I'm saying, playing around and stuff, because you gotta be considerate. You could take an hour or 2 off, but 2 kids in the same age, kind of close to the same age, it can get tough, especially when they're on different like sleeping schedules, and one of them is loud, wanting to play, wakes the other one up, other one's grumpy, and you know, kid stuff. But I don't know, man. I just kind of lost the passion for this, I guess. Man, it's just, I kind of said it before. Y'all gonna wonder why I got another 1000 if I lost my passion. Well, I like the power. Like real talk, when I had the MT-09, I held that motherfucker wide open for probably like 2 miles one time, and I did 157 GPS. And after having years of a 1000, multiple 1000s, 157 just wasn't doing it. And we got the real estate to just stretch out whatever you want to stretch out. We got it. And so I kind of, like, you know, even if I'm not out here trying to do 190, 200 all the time, being able to do it is enough for me to buy this bike. So there we go. I got 1,229 miles on it right now. I've got a screen, MRA, and brand flash tune. That's it. I set the suspension up. I'm not gonna lower it as of right now. Probably not gonna lower it at all, actually, because I'm kind of enjoying riding it. It do not stay down. Like it's comical. Power delivery is a lot different than the ZX-10. But yeah, so seen a bunch of crazy videos uploaded. I mean, everybody's seen them. The homie Lil J got hit from behind. Another cat died. I didn't know him personally, but Lil J is alright now. I mean, he broke up, but he alright. He got hit from behind, and you know, it's been multiple wrecks. I've seen people playing bumper bikes, and basically it's hard to even watch these videos, because at one point when we were racing all the time, there was a whole lot of nothing going on, and by that I mean we would go out and have these big races and we would never have accidents. They happened every now and then, you know, but it wasn't common occurrence. And now every video that you see, every race day, somebody's posting a clip of people not racing in the race lane, and man, spectators all the way in the slow lane getting hit and shit, man. I don't want nothing to do with that. Like I say, the main goal is to go home, and damn, motherfuckers ain't even making it back home no more. So, and it's not even the racers, just the spectators for the most part. So I just kind of lost my passion for it. Got the bike, said, you know what, I'll just ride by myself. I'll go out and make some hits, hit the little back roads, go have some fun and go home. Go home to my family shit. So that's kind of where it been at. I could rant, but it's been a dead horse. There's only so much stuff that you can talk about over and over and over, and nobody listens. So this motherfucker kind of open today. I get a chance to give me a little quick pull in. But I'm enjoying the shit out of this bike though. It's fun. It got more power for sure. I've never done any draggy testing or nothing like that. But here we go. It'll be some numbers. It'll be some numbers in a hard, like, it's such a fine bike. And I've been looking at these for a long time. Not these specifically, but the previous gen BMWs for a while. My homie Jelly, when he was here, he tried to talk me into getting one. And it's not a backstory, but I just didn't. There's no signal light, nothing. Got a signal light, don't want to fucking use it? God damn. like the bike a lot. That's basically where I've been at. Shit, working, spending time with the fam, paying my bills, doing adult things, whatever, all of that. So the screen probably dirty on the camera. Just a little basic update. I've ordered I ordered a muffler for the bike. I haven't decided to order a full exhaust yet. I don't really have to. Like, I don't really care for it right now. I'm not out trying to be all max effort and shit. What the fuck is this motherfucker doing? He's signal light on the whole time. But yeah, I ain't got no need. Got no need to get that extra, you know, a little bit of power. So that's where I'm at. Anyway, I'm a ride, enjoy it, and that's about it. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace.